Alrighty guys, here's an updated trade binder for May. Wants will be in the description, and I'm always open to look at binders as always. And yeah, here we go. That's secret, that's super. Starfoil. This is actually from the original, not the Yugi's World. That's a little played. Commons. I bought one Hidden Arsenal 7-pack. That's what I got. Super Battle Fader. Super from Europe, I think. Yugi's World stuff. Super Veiler. More Yugi's World stuff. Sorry about that glare. Ultra Bottomless, Ultra Solemn, Ultra Plague, Ultra Card Trooper, Playset of Secret Honest, Secret Gorge Blue. You could actually see the Secret Rare through the blue as well. Yeah. Secret Cyber Dragons, another Ultra Bottomless, Orichalcos, Mondolchi Knights from the new set. Some more stuff. Commons. Yeah. Onto some traps. A whole bunch of Lightsworn stuff. Secret Charge. This is basically some common stuff. I'm pretty sure you guys can see everything, but yeah. Another Super Veiler, Secret Marshmallow, Ultra Heavy Storm, Secret, Super Dark Hole Original. Got that Slifer background. By Slifer I mean that, like, because it's original, it's red and stuff. Yeah, so Super Tour Guide, Super Solemn. This is actually very played, as you can see, from LOB, but it's not the original because it's a spell card and not magic. So yeah, don't value that much. King Tiger Wanghu, or Wanghu. That's Starfoil, that's secreted everywhere. Still could read the text though. It's kind of hard to see through camera, but you can see it. You can still see the name as well. It's Ultimate, that's Starfoil, Kakashi's. Super common, Sexy Gyarados. And I think that's it. Nope. Well, this is the stuff that I got from Sneak Peek. The Ultra Turtle thing. Do a barrel roll. 2 of the dragons, the common ones. Harpy's Dragon. Harpy's Phantasmal Dragon, and then this one. That's super. And yeah, that's about it. Video games, WC4, right? Yeah, Hobby Sangan, and yeah, that's about it. So, as I said before, wants will be in the description. Right now, I'm looking for basically trade baits or to sell stuff. My PayPal is frozen, so I can't do that, but I do take money orders or cash via mail. Money orders preferably. Cash is gonna get stolen. And yeah, so if you guys see anything you like, just hit me up, and we'll work out something. Peace.